What's up guys, welcome to Tips Up Tuesday. This is our first video where we're gonna go over kind of our tips, tricks, and just things that we've learned as long as we've been snowmobiling. Today's episode is about the 3 simple things that you can do to your sled to make it stand out and to make it yours. First things first, I'm gonna go with the Carbon Pursuit Headlight Delete here. This is kind of a new thing that's really exciting in the skidoo world. We haven't really seen a headlight delete that's carbon fiber yet. It's super easy to install. The price is very affordable and it looks awesome. Really, I just do it to, make it look cool and drop a tiny bit of weight. The second thing that a lot of us run is front and rear bumpers. These are BSB Fab Assassin front and rear bumpers. It's something that it's kind of fun to play with the colors and powder coating on them. If with the stock bumpers, they're built to be so lightweight, you'll smash it into your pipe and you won't be able to get your sled out. So this gives you that peace of mind if you like running into trees and rocks and things that it's going to be a little bit beefier for you. This will be the most time-consuming thing that you can do to add to your snowmobile, but also one of the coolest and most rewarding, and that is a Deviant ink wrap. This is something that's just super cool. It not only protects your sled, it just customizes it to your own liking. If you get on their website, you can spend hours on there designing, using different designs, colors, logo placement, things like that. So they make it really fun and easy to do all that. So those are 3 things that we like to do to our sleds around here. There's nothing wrong with the bone stock sled at all, but if you like to kind of personalize and customize the sled to your liking, then these are 3 really good options for doing that.